What is a Korean glass skin? The Korean glass skin describes a skin that looks smooth, poreless, luminous, and intensely hydrated like a reflective piece of glass. It is not about makeup tricks, but about consistent skin health routine. Here's a step-by-step guide that combines evidence-based dermatology with K-beauty principles. The first step is gentle cleansing. Doing a double cleanse at night, first with an oil or balm cleanser that removes sunscreen, makeup, and sebum. Follow with a gentle water-based cleanser that removes sweat, dirt, and leftover residue. Avoid harsh foaming washes that strip the skin barrier. Next step is to consider exfoliation once or twice a week using chemical exfoliants such as AHA, BHA, PHA that dissolve dead skin cells more evenly than scrubs. The AHA such as glycolic acid improve radiance. BHA such as salicylic acid unclog pores, reduce breakouts. Don't over exfoliate because this can cause irritation and disrupt the skin barrier. Next step is crucial, is what we call hydration layering or chok method. The use of toner or essence for watery hydration, then apply hydrating serums with hyaluronic acid, and applying sheet mask 1 to twice a week for deep hydration. Pat in layers instead of rubbing. The next step is to improve the barrier or strengthening. One must moisturize that seals the hydration using ceramide, squalene, or glycerin. If the skin is oily, use a gel-based cream. If it is dry, use a richer cream. Avoid skipping this step. The moisturizing is important even if you have oily skin. Hydration does not mean oily. Sun protection is crucial. Using a sunscreen daily, SPF 30 to 50, is the single most important step. This prevents pigmentation, dullness, and premature aging that blocks the glass skin look. There are optional boosters such as vitamin C serum, which brightens the skin and causing even tone, niacinamide, which reduces the redness, pigmentation, and improves the barrier, and retinol to be applied at night that smooths textures, fine lines, and use cautiously with SPF. Do subscribe, comment, and share, and ask questions if you have any.